Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First things first, you'll want to make sure your VSEEBOX device is properly connected to the internet via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. A strong connection is essential for streaming local channels without buffering. Open your VSEEBOX app and check your network settings to confirm everything is running smoothly. Step 2. Next, navigate to the settings menu on your VSEEBOX. Look for the location or region settings and make sure it's set to your current city and state. This helps the app identify which local channels are available in your area. Double check that your zip code is entered correctly because this directly impacts what channels you'll see. Step 3. Now head over to the channel guide section within the app. You'll see a list of available local channels for your region. Go ahead and add these channels to your favorites by tapping on them. This organizes your viewing experience and makes it easier to find your local news, weather, and sports programming. Step 4. If you're not seeing all the local channels you expect, try refreshing the channel list. Go back to settings and select the refresh or update option. Sometimes new channels are added or the list needs a fresh pull from the server to show everything available. Step 5. Finally, test out your local channels by tuning into a few of them. Check the picture quality and audio levels to make sure everything is working properly. If you experience any issues, restart the app and your device, then repeat these steps. You should now have full access to your local channels on VSEEBOX.